Hi friends, welcome to Cells. So today it is the 73rd episode in the biology series. So today we are going to discuss about small proteins known as cytokines. So first, what are cytokines? So first we take a normal cell, just a cell. Let's take an immune cell. Just a normal cell with nothing special about it except it just does something. Yes. So these cells do not have eyes. If they had eyes, they would. So what is that? If it has eyes, yes. So they don't have eyes. They don't have a mouth. They don't even have any ears to hear anything. So how do cells and other cells communicate with each other? That's the main doubt. So all cells produce these proteins known as cytokines. So cytokines are the main proteins which are used for cell signaling. There are many other classifications of these cytokines like interferons and like that. Yes. So yeah, so all cells in our body produce these cytokines, and mainly the T cells and the macrophages produce these. Yes, so they can be used in many different ways to alert the immune system, to talk with other cells, to even tell the brain to create the fever. Yeah, it hurts. It very much hurts. And even to cause inflammation in our body when an infection is happening. These cytokines are the things which control almost everything which a cell can't do. Yes. So yeah. Okay. So first, how does a normal cell even understand the cytokine? How do they understand it? Yes. Okay. So small cytokines, they are just small proteins. So compared to a cell, they are practically invisible. So all cells have things called receptors. All cells with a nucleus, that is receptors. So each receptor binds to different things. Some receptors may bind to food, some receptors may bind to other cells, and some receptors bind to these things, the cytokines. So for each different cytokines, so each cytokine has a different message, and for each of those cytokines there's a different receptor in these cells. Yes. So for example, this cytokine is an interferon. So interferons are cytokines which tell a cell to stop its protein factory things to help to not spread a virus. Yes. So once an interferon comes into here, it will just like lock into place, and the cell will just understand what is going on, and it will do what this interferon says. So a large cell literally listens to small tiny particle. Yeah, pretty embarrassing for the cell. Yeah. Okay, so there are many other types of cytokines like interleukins and like that. Yes. So yeah. Okay, let's just rub this. These cytokines are nothing but just proteins, nothing else. Pretty complicated proteins, that is. Yes. So this is for today about cytokines. They are pretty easy to understand. So yeah, bye.